Oh my gosh! Look at what HunterAnimate just did to me! He called me Goomba! HunterAnimate, why did you call me Goomba? That is so rude and not nice. Look at what HunterAnimate said to me. He said, "Hey, it was Goomba." HunterAnimate, you cannot call me Goomba. You know that calling someone's names on YouTube is not nice. And I told HunterAnimate, "What did you do?" HunterAnimate, you cannot call me Goomba. You know that calling someone Goomba is not nice. HunterAnimate, you cannot call me Goomba. I'm telling Gaming Master what you called me. I can't believe that HunterAnimate called me Goomba. HunterAnimate, you cannot call me Goomba. I'm telling Gaming Master what you called me, HunterAnimate. You cannot call me Goomba, HunterAnimate. HunterAnimate, I'm telling Gaming Master right now what you called me. HunterAnimate, you cannot call me Goomba. You know that calling someone Goomba is not nice. And I'm not Goomba. HunterAnimate, you cannot call me Goomba. That is so rude. I told HunterAnimate, what did you do? You cannot call me Goomba, HunterAnimate. You cannot call me Goomba. That is so rude. That is not nice to call someone Goomba. That is not nice to call someone Goomba. I can't believe that HunterAnimate called me Goomba. HunterAnimate, you cannot call me Goomba. That is not nice. You cannot call me Goomba. And I'm not Goomba. HunterAnimate thinks that I'm Goomba. HunterAnimate, I'm not Goomba. You cannot call me Goomba. That is not nice at all. You cannot call me Goomba. HunterAnimate, I'm telling Gaming Master what you called me. Well, HunterAnimate, better stop calling me Goomba. HunterAnimate, you cannot call me Goomba. Well, I hope that HunterAnimate will not call me Goomba again. HunterAnimate, you cannot call me Goomba. And HunterAnimate, I'm telling Gaming Master right now what you called me. Well, goodbye guys. Have a great day.